Okay, now we're going to talk about an order of a matrix, okay? How to determine the order of a matrix? Very simple. The order of a matrix is determined by the number of columns and the number of rows that it has. And it's always rows by columns, right? So it's always the number of rows first, followed by the number of columns. So we always write it as n by m, or n by n, if you will. But it's the number of rows by the number of columns. So in this example here, all we care about are counting the number of rows and the number of columns. So this matrix here has 2 rows and 3 columns. So we would do a subscript here, which would be just 2 by 1, a 2 by 3. Right? 2 rows, 3 columns. This one here has what? 4 rows, 1 column. So this would be a 3 by 1 matrix. Okay? We would also call this a column vector. Okay? But that's for later. Okay? But this matrix would be a 3 by 1 matrix. This is a 3 by 3. So a 3 by 3 matrix. And this one here is what we call a row vector. And this one is a 1 row by 3. So it's 3 columns, 1 row and 3 columns. Okay, and that's it. So that's how we determine the order of a matrix.